Hori-Drain. Hori-Drain is a highly efficient horizontal drain that can replace the existing natural aggregate drainage layers effectively and economically. Hori-Drain induces fast consolidation by horizontally draining pore water discharged to the vertical drain installed in soft ground. Unlike natural aggregate, the supply and unit price can be kept stable through the mass production. Applying Hori-Drain helps reduce over 30% of the construction cost compared to the existing drainage method of using sand and gravel. It is an environment-friendly product which prevents the risk of environmental damage due to using natural aggregate.